Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel this value doesn't match the data validation error. This error occurs when you are attempting to enter a value into a cell that doesn't meet the criteria that you or other users have set for that cell. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix this error with 4 best ways. Solution 1. Remove data validation. The first solution you can try to fix Excel this value doesn't match the data validation error is to remove the data validation. To do so, you have to launch Microsoft Excel. Go to the Data menu and choose Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, click on Clear All. Input some data to see if this issue persists. Solution 2. Edit the acceptable data. Sometimes, the error can occur due to incorrect parameters entered in the cell. In such case, editing the acceptable data is also applicable to fix this problem. To do so, you have to select the cells that produce the error. Click on the Data menu and select the Data Validation icon. Select the Settings tab. Then adjust all the needed parameters to accommodate your entered data value. Lastly, click OK. Solution 3. Turn off error messages. If this error message appears repeatedly, you can turn off error messages manually. For this, you have to select the cell you received the data validation error. Go to Data, then Data Tools, Data Validation. Under the Error Alert tab, untick Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. Solution 4. Use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this Excel problem, then there is no better option than using the Excel Repair Tool. It is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. So, I will highly recommend you to use this software to fix Excel-related problem. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Excel this value doesn't match the data validation error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.